Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 22nd of March 2022. Hope you had a good trading day. We had a huge winner in the futures overall, two of them actually, and then a nice winner on some stock stuff, but the market didn't really do much. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart, the broad market in futures form. As you can see, kind of a narrow day. Let's look at the S&P cash, which was literally down 1 point, right? So talk about not doing anything, down 1.94. NASDAQ 100 down 43.99. It's also a blip for the NASDAQ, which is well off the highs. We're right against these downtrend lines. We'll see what happens there. The SOX down 9.06, still under the downtrend line. The biotechs down 56.97, still under the downtrend line. These have been suffering for a while. The Russell 2000 down 20.20. Not much to say there. Crude oil now back up $2.19. So crude's back on a run, 114.31. Not great, and that shouldn't be good for the markets. So we'll see what that means. Gold up 6.9 to 1936.30. It really hasn't done much the last couple of days. You do have to love that we got the 9-bar startup phase on that spike and pulled back, and the red line is the static trend line of that move, and that's where we bottomed out. Pretty interesting. NASDAQ volume at NASDAQ advanced decline ratio negative 986. So more stocks down than up, but not horrible compared to some of what we've seen. On the New York, it was negative 677. So again, also very negative, but not horrible. NASDAQ volume 5.9 billion shares, no, 5.6 billion shares. 10-day moving average 5.9. The VIX closes at 23.53, down 34 cents. So a nice sell we had on the VIX the other day. The trend closes at 0.88, puts the 10-day at 0.92, which is still not a sell signal, but it could get there pretty quickly if we got a couple low readings here. Apple had some worldwide problems today, but they still were up $1.40, and they're under the downtrend line. Amazon up $4.82, and Facebook down 5. Google down 48 cents, just fine. Goldman Sachs down $6.38. Netflix down $6 and a penny. Again, near the lows. Peloton down 37 cents. That doesn't matter. Poor thing's been beat up enough. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, new lows down $3.09. New low close, new low trading. Bonds down, rates up. Tesla up 15.77 off the 13 buy signal. Zoom up 59 cents. VXX up $1.01. So again, this is funny because with the no more new shares on the VXX, it's actually up while the VIX is down, which is kind of unusual. Bitcoin sits at 42,500. The Dow is down 201 points. All right. Intraday, here's what we got. And it wasn't that interesting. A little flat opening, pushed up. Actually, it was a big winner for us. Doesn't look that big. Then down, and we got a big winner for there. So the opening range plays were great. Kind of flattened out. We were basically sitting even going into lunch. There's a dip. Kind of tried to push lower over lunch, then came back, and that's why at the end of the day you closed just dead even. I mean, really not an interesting day, and not much else you can say about it. In terms of economic data coming out on Tuesday, we have, here in the U.S. anyways, nothing. Richmond Manufacturing Index at 10 a.m. Canada's got some inflation numbers. That's it. There's nothing here. More news later in the week, especially Thursday and Friday. So we'll see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.